I do have 3 different purchases from Victoria's Secret. Yes, not 1, not 2, but 3. Hi beautiful angels, welcome back to today's video and welcome back to my channel. As you can see from today's title, I'm going to be sharing with you what I got from the Victoria's Secret fashion show sale. I hope you all got to watch the fashion show last week. It was incredible. Loved everything about it, especially Carol G. Oh my goodness, I love her and I think she did an incredible show. There are so many Victoria's Secret haul videos out there and every time I watch them, I get so excited. I feel like we're all different as women. We all like different things, different scents. So I really enjoy watching those videos. So I really hope you like my video and what I got. Maybe we got similar items. Maybe we did not. Maybe you forgot to get something. That happened to me. I actually watched a few videos and then I was like, oh, I should have gotten that. So that being said, I do have 3 different purchases from Victoria's Secret. Yes, not 1, not 2, but 3. Long story short, I ended up getting some items the day of the show. I was actually watching the show and placing my order at the same time. So I did place that order that was online. And then the very next morning, my husband surprised me with some items that he picked up for me as well. So that was shopping part number 2. And then I ended up going to the mall because I actually wanted to see it for myself. You know, it's not the same getting them online as getting them in the store. It's like a different feeling. So I did go in the store just to see if I missed anything and I ended up getting more things. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'll start with what I got online. Of course, I have the robe on already. It's so iconic. It's so glam and I love it. Did I need it? Not really, because I also have a very similar one. It's actually the same color and everything, but it doesn't have the black trim and it doesn't have like the little rhinestones in the back, which are so iconic and so beautiful. That's the main reason why I got it. Absolutely love it. I did get it in the size extra small dash small. I also, of course, had to get the matching slippers and I actually haven't even taken them out of the bag yet because my order just came today and I was waiting on this order to get here in order to film. So now we have them. They are absolutely gorgeous. They match the robe perfectly and I love that these slippers have this gold detail, like the little wings there. Like how pretty. Surprisingly, these seem like they're really good quality compared to the other slippers. Like they're actually going to last, which I'm very excited because I feel like every time I get Victoria's Secret slippers, they only last a couple months and then I have to like throw them out. But these might last me a while and I'm very excited because they match my robe. I also picked up a makeup bag. And I thought this makeup bag was very pretty. One, of course, it has the beautiful iconic stripes, but it also has these beautiful rhinestones, like the little wings with rhinestones. I thought this was like such a beautiful makeup bag and it's like satin. I also got a shirt and I picked up this one because I figured it goes great with like Victoria's Secret, something that I can actually like wear out. And it is the Angel oversized t-shirt. And I got this in the size small and I'm glad I did because it looks huge. I mean, I know it's an oversized. Normally I'm a size medium, but this is going to be perfect. It is so pretty. I also wanted to get the bombshell one, so I might go back and get that one because I really like the quality on this shirt. It's actually like really good quality. The last thing I got with my online order was the gift with purchase. This is one of the best gift with purchases that I've gotten. I think it's so beautiful. And it is this gorgeous tote bag with gold rhinestones. Just looks so elegant. And the bag is like black satin and it has a zipper. This bag is so pretty. I was so excited with this bag. So here is purchase number 3. This is what my husband got me and he got me a bunch of the fragrances. So I got 2 of the Runway Posé Shimmer and these smell so nice and they're also shimmery. Love this scent so much. So I got 2 of these. I also got two of these, the gold one. This is the Radiant Wings Shimmer. This one here smells so incredibly good. I really like this one. Oh, okay, in the back it actually says what it smells like. This one has Glittering Magnolia, Creamy Amber, and Feathered Dreams. It smells incredible, like so nice. The silver one smells, it says Luminous Vanilla, Jasmine Cream, and Show-Stopping Shine. And then I also got two of the pink ones. And I'm just so happy that he got me two because we all need a backup. So this one here is the Iconic Glam Shimmer. It's so beautiful. It's so pink. Love everything about this bottle. This one says Sparkling Iris, Pink Nectarine, Supermodel Glow. And it gives you such a nice glow. It's not like super powering, like you're like glittery all over. No, it's a very subtle and very beautiful glow. It smells absolutely incredible. I think out of all the three different scents, this one and the gold are definitely my favorite. And then the last one he got me is this one, which I am obsessed with. It is the Cherry Bonbon Bliss. And I say that because with cherry can be like a hit or miss, but this smells really good. So if you go into stores, I definitely recommend this one. It smells really nice. It says Cherry Bonbon, Sweet Liquor, and Pink Winter Berry. It smells really nice and sweet. Love it. We're down to the last one. This is what I ended up getting 3 days later myself at the store. I got this gorgeous pajama set and I was not going to get it, but then when I saw that the shorts had rhinestones, I had to get it. The shorts have these little rhinestones, which I think are so pretty, and the shorts are very pretty. They also have like a little bit of gold on the stripes. Let me open it because I am dying to see what the top looks like. So it comes with a long sleeve. I'm glad it's a long sleeve. I am always freezing. It's very pretty. There's no logo or anything on the shirt. It's just plain pink. Very, very pretty. It's like a really nice material too, like very soft. And then the shorts I'm obsessed with. They're extra soft, like they're buttery soft, really soft cotton. And I love the fact that they have like little button details here and the rhinestones. And I also ended up getting a lip gloss. I actually got two. I got one for me, one for my daughter. I got the Runway Shimmer Iconic Pink. It's a very pretty pink gloss and it has a little bit of shimmer, not too much. I've been so much into glosses lately and I'm very excited to try this out. And the last thing I got is another tote bag because like I said, you do get like something with purchase, and I think I purchased enough to earn a tote bag. So now I have two. I will probably gift this to my mom because she loves Victoria's Secret just like I do, but it is so pretty. I am obsessed. And then I did end up getting 3 of the rewards cards. So, you know, your girl's gonna be back there shopping very soon. But that was everything I got. I really hope you loved it. Let me know, what did you get? Did you get something different? Are you gonna go back and get something else? Because I definitely feel like I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna get another shirt. I think I want the shirt that says like Bombshell, and I should have gotten that. The one that's like cropped. You know, sometimes you just have to get it when you see it. Anyway, I love you all so, so much. I hope you'll have an incredible rest of your week, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.